Welcome back to Biology Classroom. We are discussing about our second chapter, Food Through Digestive Tract, and we finished up to the digestion from the stomach. Now we are discussing about the digestion from the small intestine. Human intestine is about 5 to 6 meters long. It is found in the abdomen in the form of multiple folds and coils that you can see from this figure. Hence, because of these folds and coils, the food moves very slowly through the small intestine. It is from the small intestine the digestive process gets completed, and the beginning of absorption of nutrients from the food also takes place from the small intestine. The food which get converted to paste form enters the duodenum after partial completion of digestion. From the duodenum is the beginning of the small intestine, that is initial part of the small intestine is called duodenum. It is the part which connects the small intestine and the stomach. So from the duodenum, this paste-like food get mixed with the secretion of liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas secrete two types of digestive enzyme. This enzyme reaches through small ducts into the duodenum. From the duodenum, it gets mixed with the partially digested food which comes from the stomach. Let us check out what happens to this partially digested food when it gets mixed with the secretions of liver and pancreas. Liver secrete the juice bile. It does not contain an enzyme, but how it helps in the digestion is it helps in the breaking down of fat into smaller particles. Along with that, it makes the food alkaline. From the stomach, the food we eat get mixed with hydrochloric acid that we studied earlier. When it gets mixed with the hydrochloric acid, the digested food become acidic in nature. So when it moves on to the duodenum, it mixes with the bile juice. So when it mixes with the bile, this acidic paste form of the digested food is converted to alkaline form. So these are the two major functions of the bile secreted by the liver. That is, first one is conversion of fat into smaller particle. Another one is make the food alkaline. This bile juice is secreted by the liver is stored in the gallbladder. Next is pancreatic juice, which is secreted by the pancreas. Bile and the pancreatic juice reaches the duodenum through a common duct. Pancreatic juice contains three types of enzyme, that is pancreatic amylase, trypsin and pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic amylase convert starch in the food to maltose. So the function of pancreatic amylase enzyme is to convert starch to maltose. Next is trypsin. Trypsin convert the protein in the food to peptide. The function of trypsin is converting protein to peptide. Peptide is the simplest form of protein. Next is pancreatic lipase. Pancreatic lipase convert fat in the food we eat into fatty acid and glycerol. Fatty acid and glycerol is the simplest form of fat. This is all about today's class. Hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.